Hey, how's it going, everybody? So get ready for another stream or video. Still working on the live streaming thing, you know, still kind of wonky. Got a couple bugs to fix. But regardless, we're going to be working on this board, which is PlayStation 4. Now, it came into us crazy dirty. I don't know if you saw my little Facebook thing. We were taking the PlayStation a bath today. Well, pretty much just the shell, just taking that a bath. I'm not going to take this a bath. Well, if it wasn't such a big board, maybe I'd put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. But first things first, let's check DC voltage on the battery. Kind of want to take it out, you know. Whoa, what fell out? Not the battery. Look at that. It's actually part of our HDMI port. Alright, it's completely gone. Whoa. So, yeah, we definitely got to change that HDMI port out. There we go. It was already on. Oh, whoa, that's totally dead. That is totally dead. Well, I'm gonna have to replace that. Luckily, these are pretty easy to find. CR 2032s. Alright. I'll give that to Batteries Plus, because we do like to recycle here. And, Trilix Fix. Alright, so, we definitely already diagnosed it, even without even thinking about it. Here's a little piece. Yeah, gonna have to throw that away. Gonna get my hot air on. Hot air. Hot air. Hot air. Cold air. Yeah, fume extractor air. Yeah. So I'm gonna put some low melt solder on the edges. You know the deal. And if you don't, well, I'll show you the deal. Let's get my soldering iron on. Alright. Come on. Come on, beep. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Meep, beep. Alright. Just want to be kind of careful, because I do not want to get those capacitors or anything nearby over here. I don't want to get them hot. Okay, perfect. Looks like I have a strange angle here. Gonna have to use the left hand. That's good enough. Besides, we're just taking it off. Okay. Let's put some hot air on there. You see I lift up the board a bit? Because gravity is going to make it drop. Already got one side. There we go. I'm sure you guys saw that little diode right there move. Okay. Okay, now we're going to apply some flux. Get rid of that old solder. I think somebody was trying to work on this before, because that was not me. That's probably the only part that was me on accident. But these parts were not me, so. Let's fix what they were trying to fix. That's what we do here. There's my solder. More right there. Take it off with the wick. Probably should cut that, but I have too much solder on that wick. So let's cut it. Boom, boom, boom. It went over there somewhere. I don't know where it went. Don't care. Okay. Mm. Let's get that other side. Alright, let's turn the board over. Yeah, that's that old solder. So that one's already gone, so I'm not gonna care too much about that one. But we got the other three. Yeah. So Let's get back to our regularly scheduled program. Yeah. Hmm. This was a knucklehead. Not cleaning it up because I'm trying to make it look pretty, but I'm just cleaning it up because I want to see. I want to see what's going on. Okay, I can still see. Don't need to put too much, just a little bit. Mm. Looks like it took off more this time. Okay. Man, these are hard suckers tonight. Turn the board over one more time. Gotta clean that old flux from once we were on that side. Okay. See, that's done. That's almost done. Just don't want any of this crap solder on there when I put on the new HDMI port. Because I know it's going to be a pain to put on if I do it that way. Mm-hmm. Oh. Turn on the iron. Okay. Okay. And my wick is falling apart. Gotta be careful because there's a plastic connector right there. Don't want to rest my soldering iron on it. Get my soldering iron. Well, I have no idea what kind of solder they were using, but this is not the easiest stuff to get off. This is why I don't like doing prior repair attempts on anything. Okay, let's get that kind of hot. Okay. Just be careful with those diodes, right? That diode right there and the capacitor. Because if they do get hot enough, they will fall off the board. And I don't want to go looking for them. Let's give this board a cleaning. And this job should have already been done by now. It's okay. Makes it nice and spicy. Doing the same exact repair every single time. It could get kind of boring. So, having something new, a new little challenge. It's not bad. Gotta be thankful for the challenges we get in this life. Sometimes they make life better. Okay. Now I'll put some hot air. I'm not gonna direct it at that plastic connector that I showed you guys. I'll direct. There we go. I have to try something different when, same old doesn't work. Perfect. You see how hot the board is? And see my plastic connector? Totally fine. Like nothing ever happened. That's why where you point where you point the hot air is really, really important. Still hot. I'm sure it's hot. Yeah, actually, it's not really that hot. Feeling it. A little tiny bit on the bottom, but barely nothing at all. It's not scathed. That one is a little bit. Yeah, but nothing major. What matters most is the inside right here, and that's perfect. Okay, let's get some more alcohol in there. Some more alcohol. Come on, dudes. Let's get more alcohol. Whoa. I'm sure you heard that one before. Yeah. Poker night? Bachelor party? Yeah. Get out of there. Get out of here. Get out of here. Forget about it. I don't know if I could do the New York accent. Forget about it. Alright. Those are nice and shiny. Nice and shiny and unoxidized. I love it. I love it. Alright. Nice and clean and ready to rock for the next HDMI port. Alright. Let's check it out. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice. Oh, whoa. Man, working so hard that my gloves. Working so hard that I'm making holes in my gloves. Gotta get a new glove on here. Man, the HDMI port was not fun to take off. And you saw how I was working so hard on it to try to take it off. I was trying really hard not to put any hot air because I don't want to put like crazy amounts of hot air on this board, or on any board really. I always feel like the least hot air you need to put on the board, the better. Kind of just wanted to make sure that they're all on there good. Just by looking at it, I'm thinking maybe just that one at the end. Uh, okay. I think there might be a few loose just from the angle I'm looking at it, but I just want to make sure. I don't want to make too many more passes and waste everybody's time. Alright. Could I doubt myself and then they're all good? Uh, yeah, we're already on the one. We're already halfway there. Just like to double check. Sometimes even triple check. It's because I don't want to put this whole thing back together. And then I gotta take it apart when it doesn't work, and it's a really big task. So I want to do it right. Take my time if I have to. Doesn't matter. Because we just want it done right. Ah, look at that. There's some solder hitting each other right there in the middle. Could barely see it, but I saw it. I caught it. Okay. I think I got it. Jackpot! Okay. Nice. Man, my mouse fell. So now I'm going to take my multimeter, continuity mode. Beep, beep, beep. Just to check out those pins. Because even though I might miss it, might not see it. It might be stuck like inside there. So I just want to make sure that none of these pins they touch. And that's ground. Good. And like I said, I like to double check or triple check. So I'm gonna just triple check. Make sure that that doesn't move, that doesn't move, that doesn't move, that doesn't move. C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, W, X, Y, Z. Yes! I know my ABCs, Nicolas Cage. I know my ABCs. But don't forget, you still gotta do the ground. Still gotta do the ground. My favorite part. Huh, remember that one that was giving us a hard time? Yeah. Okay. Clean up that nasty flux. Yeah. Should have been doing this like 10, maybe 15 minutes ago. It's okay. This one just took a long time getting those holes all holy, you know, so you could see through them. And that's what I like when I do these port repairs. I like to be able to see through my holes. I like to make sure that my board is clean. There we go. Let's clean that up a little. Just a little. Oh man, look at that melted, that burnt flux on there. Sometimes when that happens, I like to use a little tweezer action here. All right. All right. Okay, now this part's going to be so fast, so the flux won't get burned as bad as this last time. Huh. Alright. Give me a 1. Still at. Forget my fume extractor. Give me a 2. Give me a 3. And give me a 4. Give me a 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Done, baby. Alright. Let's clean this up. Get this back in the housing. And then play some freaking games. I mean, give it back to the customer. And he'll play the games. Or she will play the games. But my game is soldering, baby. Fixing. Oh boy. Here I go fixing again. Because that's what we like to do here. Okay. Oh. Where is it? Oh man, it's right there. It's like it never even happened. Alright, so we put everything back in order. Now let's see if this turns on. What was that about? Ah. Alright, and that is a working PS4. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. You know, all the jazz. And have an absolutely fantastic day. Thank you, everybody.